Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tale to share with you, the extraordinary birth of ChatGPT. Get ready to explore the fascinating world where AI and conversations collide. So, sit tight, relax, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Imagine a world where you could have meaningful conversations with a machine, where you could seek guidance, exchange ideas, or simply have a friendly chat. Well, guess what? That world is no longer a dream. It's a reality brought to life by the birth of ChatGPT. The story begins with a team of brilliant scientists, engineers, and linguists who shared a common vision to create an AI system that could understand and respond to human language in a conversational manner. They believed in the power of AI to enhance communication and bring people closer together. Countless hours were spent researching, experimenting, and refining the algorithms that could form the heart and soul of ChatGPT. The team fed it vast amounts of text data, teaching it the intricacies of language and training it to generate coherent and contextual relevant responses. And just like that, ChatGPT was born, a digital mind capable of engaging in conversations, answering questions, and even cracking jokes. It marked a significant milestone in the field of natural language processing, getting us one step closer to a world where AI and humans can connect effortlessly. But the birth of ChatGPT was not just about technology. It was about making AI accessible to everyone. The team wanted to create a tool that could assist, entertain, and empower users from all walks of life. From students seeking homework help to professionals brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT became a trusted companion. Its ability to provide information, spark creativity, and offer a fresh perspective made it a valuable resource for people all around the world. ChatGPT's birth ignited a wave of innovation and collaboration. Developers and enthusiasts embraced the technology, building upon its capabilities and integrating it into various applications, from customer service bots to language learning tools. What truly sets ChatGPT apart is the positive impact it has had on countless lives. It has become source of inspiration, motivation, and support for those in need. People have shared stories of finding solace, encouragement, and even a newfound sense of companionship through their interactions with ChatGPT. As we celebrate the birth of ChatGPT, let's remember that this journey is far from over. It's a continuous quest for improvement, for pushing the boundaries of AI and conversation even further. Together, we can shape the future of AI, making it more empathic, intuitive, and aligned with our needs and aspirations. ChatGPT has become a catalyst for change, inspiring researchers and innovators to explore new horizons. Its birth has sparked conversations about ethics, privacy, and the responsible use of AI. It's a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. The journey of ChatGPT has shown us the immense potential of AI and conversations. It has encouraged us to embrace technology as a tool for progress and human connection. Let's continue to nurture this extraordinary creation, learning from it and using it as a force for good in our ever evolving world. Before we conclude, let's express our heartfelt gratitude to the brilliant minds behind ChatGPT, the visionaries, the researchers, the developers, and the entire team who made this remarkable journey possible. Their dedication, perseverance, and unwavering belief in the power of AI have paved the way for a future where intelligent conversations are within reach. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of ChatGPT's birth. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future adventures. Until next time, keep the conversations flowing, keep embracing the wonders of AI, and together let's create a world where technology and humanity thrive.